wow.
Oh,
Hello there.
General Kenobi.
General Kenobi.
Hello there.
Well, you guys are in a goddamn hurry, aren't you? Gotta deal with my slowpoke ass.
It's fine.
I know, I'm a handicap. What they tell me in real life.
Whoa, did your teacher tell you you're special?
Yes,
Nice.
Ooh,
my
90
mummy
degrees.
does.
My mommy does.
Okay. I didn't hear it from your mom, but I've been told so as well. About me, not about you.
Aww.
This spot in the garage is blocked.
Stop this
At the
conversation
back?
right now. They're gonna regret where it ends up.
This one also.
But why we're both special? Isn't that
Okay.
awesome?
Yes, in two uniquely
don't
different
hide in the
ways.
garage. There's nowhere to hide there.
I'm
Not
just
even
kidding.
behind the dryer.
Come here.
Okay. Aw, bring it in.
Oh, I think
you can't.
it's
Your
here
arms are
because it's
locked in
like
position
5
like that.
degrees.
You're permanently in a state of this.
I try to keep my distance because of COVID and stuff.
Ah, that actually hurts.
We got Ouija board.
We got
Sorry?
what?
A Ouija board.
Ouija board.
Oh, that's
Ooh,
fucking
nice.
awesome. I love Ouija board.
Ouija board as in Mario?
Yeah, as in Mario and Luigi, because it's easier to say.
Luigi board.
Yes. Okay.
I just wanna see
Roger,
me.
Roger.
Ask him if it's seen Mario lately. Once we'll get a good answer.
Isn't that Luigi and the Haunted Mansion?
I know they reworked it, but I'm not sure how much. I think it...
Where are you? Yeah, you can hold it.
What's he did?
Hung hem gauw weer.
Ah.
Well,
Fuck.
what's your favorite room?
Oh.
Oh, they made it
Living
faster. Yes. Living room, yeah.
Is hem, yeah.
Is in living room.
Definitely living room, and my Santa is gonna be fucked.
Well, we have to move to the living room.
That's the first room, so it's great.
Oh, goody.
Stop that! You're gonna give me a goddamn seizure.
Oh,
Well,
Allah.
that's what you wanted, of course.
Never.
You rolling around on the floor.
No. We don't want that. How old are you
No,
though?
Clearly we don't.
Ghost person. How old are
I
you?
thought you were asking me.
Are you
were
French?
looking right at
Oh,
me.
he said old. He said old. But how old are you though? That's
Old.
interesting as well.
Oh my god. After using the Luigi board, my Santa is at 15%.
Motherfucker.
Once the room
I
is
love the Luigi board. The ghost responded to the thing. How old are you, ghost? Yo, ghost, how old are you? How old are you? There we go.
Old. That's weirdly non-specific.
Weirdly non-specific.
That's sus. I think the ghost is the imposter.
Mogus.
Right in the book. Amogus. I'm out.
Was net was moest je echt nog met? Nee,
Ik vertel de mousepits Jesus Christ even bodden.
dat sounds. Dat is wat erg ook highlight, not gonna lie.
I'm coming with some Jesus Christ. Y'all need Jesus over here. Who tossed the cute
Oh.
cat on the floor?
No one did. I think the.
I
Oh.
think the
It's
ghost
the
did.
ghost. Yeah,
Aw.
the ghost.
Oh, that's a really cute cat.
That is a
Reminds
cute
me
cat.
of one of mine.
What?
Well,
Wow. We just saw the projector
dots.
thing. Dots projector.
Ray Anthony, okay?
Whoa.
Jesus.
Fuck you.
Fuck you, ghost.
I love how you're all standing.
We're ready to clip out the door when it closes.
Yeah. I mean, you don't have to
that's
worry
why.
or we are, you can just bug out.
Yeah.
Oh no, I can't. Only in certain spots. I didn't know this worked. You could click.
I think you
Oh,
do
Oh yeah,
fast
that's
enough.
HL tactic. Oh, fuck off.
Fucking ghost.
Okay, EMF level 5 for Wraith.
Wait, EMF 5 as
UK
well?
needs orbs. No. I'm just saying that we need EMF level 5, ghost orbs, or phantom layers. Or fingerprints.
You okay there, Roddy?
It's how we on. Allee, wat is dit te
What are you doing here? Herregud, du skip. Låt mig bitte
Back
hit.
into the mainframe.
Kom av
Give me
bitte
the-
hit.
Oh, hij jakt.
Oh, he's hunting.
Holy shit, that was close.
Guys, our Swedish friend found the solution. Please follow us.
We have to hack the mainframe.
Please, sir, demonstrate
sure the
us what
ghost
you've
can.
demonstrated me before. Please show them what you showed me. And go.
Like this. And then you have to add that awesome hacker music and a bunch of bleeps and bloops, you know, like they do in Hollywood.
I see.
Oh, dat is immer nog
Why, you never
zaad.
watched the Hollywood
What
film?
is your point?
He's hacking the ghost.
My point.
This is a cyber
Oh,
ghost.
no, not the ghost.
Oh,
The ghost, the mainframe. Come on.
the
Add that word to everything. It makes it sound so
mainframe.
technical, so awesome.
Okay. The mainframe of the ghost. That would be his brain.
No, not the. Drop the goddamn ghost.
No, I want the ghost in there. This operation is nothing without the ghost. You are nothing
Well, I
without
guess
the
that's
ghost.
kind of the point. That's rude.
Sorry, that got out of hand. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm nothing. You sound like my dad. Come on.
Wow, Dad.
Oh,
why,
no.
why are you like this, Dad?
It said to use the crucifix. Where is it?
Where are you? How old are you?
There's 2 crucifixes on the
Somehow
floor.
the spirit box never works for me.
There's one on the ground.
They're both here, below you. One is already burned off. He tried to hunt once.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it said that.
Oh no.
Yeah. Don't
He's
forget,
he's
don't
step
run into
dancing.
the garage.
Okay.
Oh, the one's dead. Yeah.
Old.
Why does he keep repeating the same goddamn
Yo, we
thing?
already know that you're old. What do you
we
want?
got footsteps.
Oh, he wants to hurt.
Good luck.
Oh no. I'm dead.
Yeah, it's fine.
Bye.
You're dead.
Yeah.
Guys, why
again.
didn't you try to hide even?
I was
I
choking
did.
him again. It worked. I choked him right into my friend. But don't worry, not you. I'll
No,
always protect
I
you.
believe that. You were playing with this guy before me, and you still led him to his death.
Yeah. Because I
don't
met
think
you.
you
Was
me
it,
that.
We are
wasn't he your
different.
friend?
No.
Wait, what?
He might have
Sure.
been, but now he's.
No, he's my friend.
he's
But
worth
now,
it.
now I
I'm gonna put
met
my-
you. Now it's just us
I'm
two.
gonna put my.
Ubisoft dot here. Maybe dead. Ah,
Oh, yeah,
so
that's
sad. Ah, I got my fair share, I guess.
Yep, you're a piece of shit.
Jag kan sprintmeka. So sad. Also, was haben wir jetzt für eine fucking Zeug?
Wir haben dort
Just you and I. Again.
Ja.
Ich muss sagen, er ist wirklich Highlight, not gonna lie.
Okay. So, it's not Wraith. Wait. It could be fuck. I didn't see it.
Take your medication. Doctor's
Yeah.
orders.
It's stepped in the salt, but I didn't see footsteps because nobody's shown the
Oh god.
how to say it, DV on it, so I'm not sure. But I think it's not brave.
Hast du ihn angefragt, apropos?
Nein.
In that
Ja,
case,
ich
what is
Bedürfnis, ihn zu anfragen.
UK is Ghost Orb. Not gonna happen. Phantom. Fingerprints. Possible.
Ja, ich laat het maar.
So, what evidence do we have?
Probeer het zetten.
We
Wie
go
heisst er?
dots and the box.
S ist klein und dann Q
Ja.
gross, U, I,
So,
D, D,
what can it
L,
be?
Y.
EMF level 5. Ghost Orb. Fingerprints.
Muss nicht nochmal schauen.
Wie kann man
It's
das
not Ghost
machen
Orb.
eigentlich während dem Spiel?
It's
Ja,
I think
das
it's
Team
not-
einfach.
EMF 5 because I think it stepped in the salt. So it shouldn't be brave. But not sure.
I don't really know what that means, to be honest, but fair enough.
Well, I'm guessing it's a phantom.
So, all that remain.
Do we not have any pills?
No. I might have
Oh.
ate them all. I was hungry.
Ja. Alter, er kann hure schnell rennen, das sehe ich da.
Das ist
Hey.
wirklich.
What's the name of that guy?
Wie hat man seinen Namen geschrieben? Weißt du das noch?
Ja, nein. Also du kannst echt Rechtsklick drücken, also Escape drücken.
Gabe. Ah ja.
Ich glaube, er handelt so gut. Squidly.
Ah ja, noch gefunden.
Ich habe ihn auch gefunden, ich habe ihn mal angefragt. Der hat so ein
Same.
blaues Profil, bitte.
Voll, ja. Ich weiß nicht, ob ich auch noch sie möchte anfragen. TM da.
Ich glaube, sie ist dort. Oder Ghost. Oh, sie lebt noch, sie lebt
Oh my
noch.
god.
Sie kommt von Tschechischer Republik.
Ah,
I just fell through the map and ended up in the van. So.
Where are you?
wait. Did you die?
Okay.
What the hell?
Was ist?
Wo ist er?
Hab ich gerade gesagt, er ist durch die Map geflogen.
Ja, aber...
Nice.
Hä? Er ist da hinten, ich höre ihn, aber ich sehe ihn nicht.
So, I can teleport.
Oh no.
Was in Hand.
Well, do that now.
Ah doch, ich sehe ihn. Ich sehe ihn.
Wo ist der Geist?
Oh, der hat sich hinter das Bücher gestellt, kann er verstecken.
Lol. Ik zit de Geist
Fuck
niet
you,
over. De Geist
Ghost.
is hier.
Can't get me in here anyway.
De Ghost is voor hem, oder? Ik zeg echt
Ja, ja. Ich sehe ihn auch nicht, aber man hört ihn einfach. Das ist von einer Verpattung.
Ik glaube, de Geist is schon hässig.
Ja, aber wo ist er jetzt dran?
Ik zeg auch nicht, maar er ist glaube ich immer noch da innen.
Hallo, Alain.
Hallo.
Nein, er ist nicht mehr im Fall.
Did he die?
Well, it has to be.
I
Nee,
don't
er is
know.
hier im car.
There are none.
Huh?
Yeah, the problem is that I remember from patch notes that they have chance not to leave them.
Okay, so it's fingerprints.
It could be anything.
You have a coin. In
Yes.
real life, do you have a coin?
Yeah, I guess.
Grab one, flip it. Heads, it's EMF.
I cannot
Tails,
flip
it's
it.
fingerprints.
What do you mean they cannot
Ah.
flip it? Just let it fall on the ground.
Also, heads and tails doesn't really work. But okay.
Why doesn't it work?
I mean, there's no head or tail on the coin.
Oh mein Gott. Dit is echt symbool, het is echt een nummer.
Count the day of the law, I guess. It's 2 days actually, but...
Oh, het is two tails.
You have Steve, a friend, I'm guessing. One of these two.
Hey.
All right, no, just make a guess. That just EMF or fingerprints? Which one?
Highlight.
'Cause I'm not going back in there.
My guess was Phantom.
Dus
Let's
het
go
is
with
Emma.
it. Phantom. All the boys to do the same.
They're most commonly summoned from
Huh?
Luigi boards. I mean, that makes sense,
Okay.
right?
And we're off.
Jeez.
Till is Phantom niet dan.
Ja.
How do I
Wat?
turn this on?
Nee, wat is passiert met de meet? Nee.
Nothing. Nothing at all. You ready?
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah, brother. That guy is so good, man. Highlight.
Oh shit.
Was?
3.
Warte schnell, Till. Warte, erzähl's mir gut, aber gibst du eine Sekunde. Es ist
Ja,
ein
ist gut.
Rave gewesen.
That was
God
That
fucking
was so
bullshit.
sad.
I should have